Do you look like this when riding? You're not the Charlie Chaplin of motorcycling, are you? Well then, you might want to know how to properly place your feet when riding a motorcycle, and more so, why there is a wrong and a right way in the first place. First of all, if your feet are pointing out or down by hooking the heels to the pegs, it comes with a lot of disadvantages, and in some conditions, it's really dangerous. I'm telling you this so that you learn this now instead of when your foot cracks backwards when it touches the ground when taking a nice corner. Yes, incorrect foot placement gets it closer to the ground, and that's quite risky at times. Besides this, your ankles are less mobile, you can't dampen shocks effectively, and you might touch the rear brake or shifter because your feet are under, over or next to it when riding. Oh yeah, and you look stupid. So what is the correct foot placement and why? The optimal and most recommended position is to place the balls of your feet so the base of the big toe on the foot pegs. This position allows for better control, flexibility and quick access to the gear shifter and rear brake, while also preventing accidental engagement of these controls. So generally, the heel should be off the peg, not resting on it. Keep toes pointed forward and maybe slightly out, but avoid letting the toes hang too low to prevent them from catching the ground during cornering. You'll find that you have more stability in this position as your ankles can be used in their full range of motion, so your legs and knees can be adapted more effectively to grab the tank and increase control. For example, think about this. Boxers stay actively on the front part of their feet to stay versatile in their movements. They can pivot, step, switch positions and do all kinds of stuff. If their heels would be on the ground, they would be more sluggish and less mobile. This is also the case when riding a motorcycle. Stay in an active position to optimize stability, versatility, safety and effectiveness. Riding correctly like this will become a habit after a couple of rides anyway, so you might as well just focus on it for a while and benefit from it throughout your entire riding career. Also during cornering, place the balls of both your feet firmly on the pegs with the heels tucked inside for stability and better steering feedback. When using this foot placement, it gives you the possibility to actively change your body position when entering a corner and when switching from one side to another. This is the case because you can make use of your legs in every joint and muscle, and because you don't accidentally touch the foot controls or even the ground. If you're a fast boy, the foot of the outer peg should be firmly anchored with the heel for stability and to help stand the bike up when exiting a corner. This is the only exception for street riding to let the heels touch the pegs. Riding off-road asks for a different foot placement, but for street riding it's unnecessary on normal road conditions anyway, so except if you're riding in the twisties or on track, just keep the balls of both your feet on the pegs and you're good. So in conclusion, the right foot placement increases your safety and stability and makes your riding more effective, engaged and precise. Remember this next time you go out and ride.
Subscribe!
Bye-bye.